Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po teachers, mabibigyan lang po tayo ng quick update regarding po sa PBB 2023 ngayon pong March 15, 2025. So pag chinek po natin yung DBM SARO na mga nilabas po this week, makikita po natin na meron po mga schools and universities na meron na pong PBB SARO. Ibig sabihin po, bibigyan na po sila ng authority na magkaroon po ng funds at later on ay ma-release na po yung kanilang performance-based bonus 2023. So ano po itong mga state university na po to? So nung March 12 po, meron pong dalawang state universities and colleges na nagkaroon po ng PBB SARO. Ito po yung Abra State Institute of Science and Technology, tsaka po yung Mountain Province State Polytechnic College. So nakalagay po rito na release of allotment to cover the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus of 256 eligible personnel. Ganun din po sa Mountain Province State Polytechnic College. So, yan po yung March 12. And then, meron pong mga other universities po na nagkaroon din po ng PBB. So, ito po nung March 14, kahapon po, state universities and colleges under po ng SUCs, we have Batanes State College. So, meron na po kayong SARO for your performance-based bonus at maghintay na po tayo ng mas mabilis para po ma-receive yung ating performance-based bonus. And then, humabol rin po, ito pong another state university. So, March 14, kahapon din po, under state universities and colleges or SUCs, we have Palawan State University. Congratulations po sa mga teachers and other personnel po doon. Dahil meron na po kayong PBB SARO na magiging po mas madali yung pag-release po ng funds para po sa ating performance-based bonus 2023. So, ang tanong po ay nasan pa po yung ating pong PBB SARO for DepEd. So, currently po ay hinihintay po natin yung ating scorecard kung tayo po ay eligible at ang sunod na po nun ay maglalabas na po ng SARO per region yung ating DBM. So, wait na lang po and we're praying and hoping na malabas na po yung scorecard and hopefully we're eligible at malis na po yung ating ring SARO. So, yun lang po muna teachers and other government employees. So, please don't forget po to subscribe for more DepEd news and updates. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!